how to reset your iPhone to sell. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your iPhone so that you can sell it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you guys do is sign out of your Apple ID. To do that, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, on the top you should find your Apple account. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, on the bottom you will find the sign out button. Tap on sign out and sign out of your account. Simply sign out, and you might even have to type in your Apple ID's password to sign out of your account. So do that first. And after you do that, it's really easy to erase everything from your iPhone. For that, simply open up your settings again. And after you're on your settings, head over to your general. So after you're on your general, what you then do, scroll down. And there you will see an option that says transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, on the bottom, you'll find an option called erase all content and settings. So tap on it. And after you tap on it, tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you will be able to remove everything. Now, all you have to do after this is type in your passcode for your iPhone, and then you will be able to erase everything. And after you erase everything, you can just eject your SIM card, and then you can sell your iPhone. And that's basically how you reset your iPhone to sell. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.